Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a pretty relatable topic: why it's sometimes hard to be happy for someone's success and how to navigate those feelings. Ever had someone ask you, "Why can't you be happy for me?" Yeah, it can get awkward, right? So let's talk about it and figure out how we can balance genuine enthusiasm with a healthy dose of caution. Let's get into it. Some validation and joy sharing, which is totally human. But why do we sometimes struggle to give it? The context of your relationship with the person really matters here. Are they a close friend, family member, or just an acquaintance? The way we react can be different depending on who it is. For example, if your best friend lands their dream job, you're probably going to be super happy for them. But if it's a colleague who often seems to exaggerate their achievements, you might feel a bit more reserved. Relationships have different dynamics, and those play a big role in how we express our support. Let's talk about the positive side first. Being genuinely supportive can really strengthen your bonds with others. Imagine your friend just got promoted. Showing your enthusiasm could be as simple as offering a heartfelt congratulations, or even a high five. Little gestures like smiling, sharing their excitement, or even asking about it in detail can make a huge difference. Remember, your support can seriously boost their confidence and happiness. Plus, it feels good to share someone else's joy. Now, not all situations are straightforward. Sometimes you need to be a bit skeptical, especially if something feels off. If someone often brags or seeks validation excessively, it might be wise to take a step back. Look for signs of exaggeration or manipulation. It's important to trust your gut feelings too. If you're feeling uneasy about their intentions, there's probably a reason. So, how do we find that balance? It can be tricky, but it's definitely doable. Start by being honest with your feelings. Let the person know you care, but also share any concerns you might have in a gentle way. You can say something like, "I'm really happy for you, but I have some questions about how this happened." This way, you're opening up a dialogue without outright dismissing their achievement. Finding this middle ground helps keep the relationship healthy and honest. Let's put this into some real-life scenarios. 1. Your friend gets a promotion. Throw them a mini celebration. A coffee treat or a small gift can show you're thrilled for them. 2. Someone who often exaggerates claims they're starting a big business venture. Stay supportive but cautious. Ask questions and show interest without committing too much. 3. A family member suddenly succeeds in something that seems too good to be true. Be happy for them, but gently probe to understand more about their success. Navigating these examples helps illustrate how to mix genuine enthusiasm with a bit of skepticism when needed. All right, let's recap. We've talked about understanding why people ask for our happiness, the importance of context in relationships, showing true support, when to be skeptical, and how to balance these feelings. Being supportive yet honest helps in maintaining healthy relationships. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, click that notification bell so you won't miss any updates. I'd love to hear your stories and thoughts on this topic down in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. You all are amazing for being here. Keep supporting each other and stay awesome. Until next time, take care.